What's it called? It's so shiny.
Is that? It's turning colors?
Wow.
I need a phone like this.
This is so dope. It's amazing.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I love the colors so much. Can I take this home?
Me like it. I gotta have this phone.
I started shooting waves in 2007, and it's my one passion in life. My whole life basically revolves around it. The millisecond, knowing that that moment will never exist again, that's what keeps me focused, and that's what drives me to shoot photos of waves. The light that passes through the wave, it creates the colours. It can go from a dark, almost black, to a vibrant green or a rich blue in the blink of an eye. The design of the Honor 10 and the images that I shoot in the ocean, I think they complement each other with the way that the colour changes, the light changes, and the way it all blends into one seamless design.
Hello. Maybe you're thinking, is she real? Yes, I am very real. I'm excited to reveal the most beautiful smartphone ever. The new Honor 10. It's time to discover a new world of AI photography. Image semantic segmentation. 3 words, 1 big feature. But what does that mean? To tech keep? Maybe this will help. Imagine we are visiting a beautiful lake. You want the perfect shot to impress all your friends online. No problem. The Honor 10 thinks for you, recognizing every part of the scene and optimizing them separately. Hey, don't leave me here. This boat doesn't have a recharge socket.